Ito ang aking Rome tier list updated as of April 2026. Bumabalik na naman tayo sa meta na hate ng mga mid laners at pati ng gold laners dahil bumalik na naman tayo kay Hilda at Khalid. Ito yung mga literal na susundan lang yung mga mid lane at mga gold lane. Damay mo na rin yung mga assassin junglers natin at biglang papatayin ng mga kapwa nilang fighters o mga kapwa nilang mga assassins. There are other less aggressive options, the more defensive and mid to late game power spike centric heroes na nagpo-provide pa rin ng same amount of vision and utility katulad ni Hilda at Khalid, and that's the Hylos and the Kaleya. Ito yung mga pang front to back and power spike na late game pa na mga composition. So if you're running the carry or you're running the Claude or any other late game centric, okay pa tong mga to. And the Kaleya, perhaps I would say, is the most versatile out of the three. So kung kaya nyo kumuha ng Kaleya at may magaling na Kaleya, goods to goods yan. Sa ating S-, mga safe picks na medyo kailangan nyo pa rin ng composition around these heroes. For pick-offs, you want the Cho. For team fights na tuloy-tuloy, you want the Chip. This is especially good kapag may Freya kang kakampi. The Grok is also good as long as walang Valentina sa kabila. And the Gatot Kacha will always be a safe pick. The only reason na wala si Gatot Kacha doon sa taas, it's because people have started to pick marksman na kayang tunawin ang Gatot Kacha.